I'm Sayyida Sadia Saeed from Pakistan, principal of Namr School at Miyawali. Recently, I had a privilege of attending a training session on social and emotional learning from CCE Finland, which has a profound impact on me personally. I have experienced a significant drift in my approach to self-care. Now I prioritize daily walks, I prefer healthy and balanced diet, adequate water intake, and take care of daily regular workouts. It helped me in my emotional regulation and improved my empathy. Inspired by this transformation, I conducted a training session with my teaching staff to integrate social and emotional learning into our school curriculum. And together we planned a very comprehensive program to instill these essential life skills in our students, to develop their emotional intelligence and to enable them to resolve the conflicts and the difficult situations easily without being reactive. We planned and devised activities, engaging activities such as breathing exercises, guided breathing activities on junior level, then feeling charades and guessing the emojis on very starter level. For junior students, we took initiative and started practicing role plays where mock scenarios were introduced, and students through role plays and through real life scenarios, they went through resolving the situations and conflict management. Along with these activities, in many classes, different students, they have done self-portraits. Through self-portraits, students wrote and portrayed their emotions through words, symbols, and emojis.
So this is a feeling journal where students have portrayed some images and they'll tell us that how they resonate with those images. So we are going to start from Ajwa. Ajwa, this looks nice. You have drawn a wine glass. Can you brief me about this? How do you resonate with it?
Yes, I compare myself with a wine glass, just as a wine glass can crack if dropped, and I get hurt or angry when things go wrong. A wine glass must be handled with gentle. I also need understanding and kindness to feel my best.
I have drawn phonics and I compare myself with phonics like once the storm passes, my warmth returns, sharp like a sudden constant and soft like a gentle ball.
I compared myself with the wall, like I protective like a shelter, strong yet gentle, silent yet expressive.
I compared myself with soft petals that carrying the weight of dew, blooming with passion, unfolding with grace in quiet moment.
Now we took initiative that our counseling, and in counseling we emphasized patience and then class discussions. This is very important step which we have started, and in the light of Islam and Quran and Islamic history, through class discussions we prioritized emotions, how to regulate emotions, how to do self-control and manage difficult situations without being reactive. All these activities and social and emotional practices in our schools, these have not only enhanced the students' emotional intelligence, but has also impacted the overall culture of the school. Now we are planning to display different wall resources and different displays, beautiful displays related to social and emotional learning in our school. Further planning to enhance these practices in our school, and the outcomes are wonderful. Thank you.